announced during a press conference it plans to host a prestigious award show to honor the inspiring spirit business community of the UAE on 27 December 2029 in Dubai. Bizways Marketing Management Chairman and host of the event, Yahya Muhammad Al-Bilashi, said, experts have assumed a fundamental part in the accomplishment of this nation. There is no denying in the way things are. Approximately 80% of the UAE population are experts, with Emirates making up only 20%. Experts have made an entirely important commitment to enterprises in the UAE.